Hi, I'm Janet Myatt. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well, what we're going to do today is one of my ascension meditations, and this one is going to be focusing on the Alta Major Chakra, which is located at the base of the skull. It's a relatively new chakra that people are getting curious about, and it's an important chakra because it serves as a gateway for opening us up to our higher spiritual understanding and helping to create a better connection between the spirit and the incarnated personality. So we're going to be doing some balancing and cleansing work today. In this meditation, you will work with breath, visualization, and focused awareness to bring harmony and balance to the Alta Major Chakra, aligning it with your higher chakras for deeper spiritual connection. All right, so let's get started. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's begin. So start first by closing your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale, releasing any tension in your body on that exhale. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing each exhale to relax you deeper into the present moment. Let your shoulders relax. Let your tummy relax, drop down and rest in the body. Feel yourself sitting in your hips. Feel your feet flat on the floor. And now imagine a line of energy from the first chakra at the base of the spine, extending all the way down into the center of the planet. So just focus your attention on the base of the spine and just visualize this line of energy flowing all the way down and connecting like a root or like a tree trunk into the center of the planet. And let this grounding cord be nice and wide, at least as wide as your hips. And allow this grounding cord to help you release tension out of the body, release any emotional distress or mental confusion. Just see it flowing right down and dissolving into the center of the earth, where that energy will be recycled into neutral cosmic energy. Okay, now bring your awareness to the base of your skull, where the Alta Major Chakra is located. So the chakra is situated at the point where the neck meets the head near the occipital bone. Take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, gently focus on this area. Imagine a warm golden light forming here, as though a small sun is beginning to awaken. And feel the warmth of this light gently pulsating, soft and nurturing right here in the Alta Major center. And use your breath to release tension from this area. And use your in-breath to draw in more of this golden light into the Alta Major Chakra. And feel this golden light expand and grow brighter. So with each exhale, you're going to imagine letting go of any blockages, any tension, or any resistance in this area. And on that exhale, you see it becoming brighter, warmer, and extending. Visualizing that Alta Major Chakra becoming a glowing, radiant point of light, flowing with divine energy. With the Alta Major Chakra now awakened, imagine a stream of golden light rising up from it, and see it travel upward, connecting into the third eye or the sixth chakra, located in the center of the head. It's behind the eyes. But you can imagine a focal point kind of out in front of your head right now. Just imagine that connection right there, moving into what we call the spiritual eye. And as the light connects, feel a sense of mental clarity open up, and a deepened sense of intuition activating. Okay. So again, your spirit knows where this center is. And if you can just turn the analyzer down and not worry about too much, uh, just imagine this golden light flowing from the Alta Major up into the sixth chakra and deepening your sense of mental clarity and heightened spiritual intuition. From the sixth chakra, let that light rise even further now, linking it up into the crown chakra, the seventh chakra, located at the top of your head. And as that connects, feel this connection open up your spiritual awareness, allowing divine energy to flow effortlessly into your consciousness. So you are now opening up and enlightening the three head chakras, helping to clear any blockages, tension, or distress in the mental body, and strengthening your connection with your inner spiritual state. And now visualize this triangle light so that it's also flowing back down from the crown, connecting into the Alta Major, right? So now all 3 points are connected with this golden light, connecting the Alta Major, the sixth chakra, and the seventh. And as this triangle pulses with energy and moves, imagine divine wisdom flowing freely between these points. And however you envision it is just right for you right now. And just affirm that you are now connected both to your higher self and to the wisdom of the universe. And let these 3 chakras come into alignment, into sync with you and your divine blueprint, and elevating your sense of inner peace and heightened intuition, mental clarity. And allow this energy flowing between these 3 points to strengthen and balance your spiritual and physical energies. So improving the connection between the body and the being, bringing it into present time, and setting it at this higher vibration. All right, now focus your attention back on the Alta Major there at the base of the skull, still glowing with golden light. And as you breathe in now, imagine this light expanding gently, filling your entire head, neck, and upper spine with its warmth and healing energy. On each exhale, allow this golden light to wash away old energy, negative thought patterns, or blockages. So now you're starting to include the fifth chakra, which has to do with communication and creativity. The fourth chakra, affinity for yourself, others, and the God of your heart. Starting to extend up into the outer body chakras above your head. And letting this golden light just shine out, bringing more and more alignment, clearing away past, clearing away thoughts, emotions, memories, and vibrations that don't serve, and allowing you to experience coming back into sync with your divine blueprint. Just kind of sink more deeply into that experience, focusing your intention on peace, on the love that abides within you, saying hello to your inner wisdom, that still quiet voice within that always leads you to your good. All right, so now take a deep breath and gently bring your awareness back to your whole body now. Feel the energy flowing from the Alta Major Chakra down through your spine and up to the crown in your head. There it goes, circulating and harmonizing your entire energy system. So now it's flowing through all 7 chakras and up even above that 7 chakra into the higher chakras, starting to form this golden column of light running from the top of your head down to the base of your spine, fully integrating the work you have done. You see yourself sitting gently in this column of light, letting all aspects of yourself come into present time, into sync. Inhale deeply, drawing in peace, clarity, and alignment. Exhale slowly, letting go of any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you a sense of balance and connection to both your higher self and to the universe. And come back in here with the intention of, even with your eyes open and as you go through your daily experience, that you're going to be bringing this sense of alignment and peace and clarity into your daily activities, into your interactions with others. And repeat this affirmation to yourself, either silently or aloud. I am aligned with divine wisdom. My Alta Major Chakra is balanced and in harmony with my higher self. I trust the flow of guidance and clarity in my life. So thank you for taking this time to balance your Alta Major Chakra with me today. As you continue your day, know that the connections that you've just made now to divine wisdom remains with you, supporting your spiritual growth and alignment. If you'd like to know more about the Alta Major Chakra and other ascension techniques, I hope you'll join me in my upcoming ascension training class. That starts November 6th, 2024. And if you're watching this video after that date, you can always go to my website. There's some information there about the Alta Major Chakra, about ascension and other types of energy techniques that you can use. And you can also contact me through my website. All right. Thank you so much again for joining me today. Peace be with you.